Sup? We might be able. Hold up. Just fixing our. Oh wow. We really do not have a good connection here. 8 kilobytes per second. Well, we'll figure this out. Well, YouTube says we have an excellent connection. That's probably a lie. Who cares? Alright. Okay. So we'll be going off the allstar asterisk full. We'll be trying to set it up on a server that is mostly my testing server. So, it's gonna take a while. I know that, but that's what a Friday's for. Didn't have school today, so yeah, let's figure this out. Now, first thing I'm gonna do is figure out how to get chat open onto like a pop out. There we go. And we're gonna move this over there. All right. Wish I could force this to be on top of everything else, but nope. We'll put you down here. Oh wait, I can make this even better. I could go pop out chat, grab this URL, go back to OBS. Sorry for the entire. We need a browser window. Need a browser. We'll do that. That. Here's chat. All right. Perfect. We'll just do that. All right, perfect. All right. Now, we won't come back to that. All right. So, open command. Move this over here. I wish I had two screens, but I'm operating a Microsoft Surface, and I don't have any other screens open right now. We'll do SSH into my server. 148. Yep. Alright. We will switch user. So we might need add or root. We'll cd to go back to the main directory. ls. We'll rm directory allstar. ls. Alright. We'll make a directory. Why is it lagging so bad? Make directory. We'll name this one. No, we'll do allstar. Why are you lagging so bad? What? Yep, I know why. You know what? I think switching over to an Ethernet cable might be the best. So we'll just plug one in to the docking station instead of running Wi-Fi. And oh, okay. We are connected. How are we doing over here? Not bad. We'll see if we can bump up that bit rate. We'll do 2400. We'll do, yeah. That's. Do I not remember how to use OBS? Hold up. Streaming, yeah, okay. Audio bitrate, you know what? We'll keep that the same. Should we turn it? You know what? That's good enough for me right now. Yes, I know you're there, buddy. Alright. ls. Oh, wait, we need to log back in. Alright. This has already started off pretty bad. But, hello? Oh, there it goes. Switch user again. Alright. We'll do cd to go back. Quickly check my message. Nothing has been sent. ls, nothing. Make directory. Allstar. Alright, cd allstar. ls should be empty. Alright. Okay, well, wget http://dvswitch.org/buster. Okay, so there you go. chmod plus x buster. Hold up. chmod plus x buster. And what am I screwing up here? Am I... No, I'll just copy this and put it over there. There you go. /buster. Oh, already exists. Never mind. It turns out I've already done that, but if you want to build this, there's that. Apt update. Sorry. Apt get update. Oh, hold up. App upgrade. Perfect. There you go. Yep. Now, while that loads, let me check my messages. Okay. Subprocessor return an error code. Okay. Well, we'll come back to that. So install Linux headers and dvswitch.d package. Sorry. apt-y install Linux headers $ parentheses uname space -r parentheses. Alright, there's that. Now while that's downloading, we'll just set that bird down right there. Alright, we'll do apt install tools. I don't know if it's supposed to be reboot there as well, but we'll do that. Yeah, it could be a bit slow here sometimes. But there it goes. Still got an error code. Now, do we try reboot? Nope. Alright. So now, we're gonna take this, do that. Do we do one of these by themselves? Go on. Copy. Paste. apt-y install lib sound 2. Okay, so we have to install them one by one. This might take a while. Alright. Now we'll do the same thing with lib c6. This is going to take a while, so yeah. Oh, no, I am streaming on the right account. Alright, that's done. You will now do lib 2. Alright, now do lib cur 14. We'll come back to that. If we need it later, who knows? CC1. Alright, another error code. That's CC1 lib GSM1. Alright, now we'll do lib IDN 11. It is missing its source. Lib IDN 11. You know what? We'll come back to it. Lib IKSEME 13. I could be spelling these some of these wrong. You know what? We'll just I don't know if Linux or Windows will let me do this. Nope, absolutely won't let me. Lib IKSEME. Oh, that's an L. Oh, that tricked me. Yep. That could be the issue. Oh, yep. The crawl. Okay, we can try the one that was giving us an error again earlier. Because the one's way different. There we go. Alright. Now that we fix that. That might take. Oh, never mind. Now we'll do lib and 5. Alright, here's that. So, this server is running Debian Linux. It is an HP server, 1U server, but it is downstairs, new T0.52. Alright, so this is running, I think it's a Linux, I think it might be 12, Debian Linux 12. I couldn't get 9 to work, so yeah, so we'll figure that out. Alright, lib og 0. Okay. Now we'll lib pop T0. A lot of software, or a lot of things for the AMD 64 or dependency stuff. So hopefully you can skip forward once I'm done with this, and somebody comes in and they go back and want to see how I do the entire thing. So RIL 1.4. I completely biffed that, didn't I? Lib PRI 1.4. There we go. Sorry if I messed a couple of these up. I try my best to go back and fix them, but again, I would call myself an average Linux user. I only use Windows for certain things. I mostly run Linux Mint, so Mint is my thing, but it's terminals or command prompt is not the best thing for me. Yes, it might be inputting commands and stuff is my thing, but not really. Everything is the best of Linux on me. So, I would not recommend Linux for new users. I only do it for people who kind of know what they're doing, because it's it can be pretty complicated for certain people. If you don't know what you're doing, it's easy and not easy at the same time to break your computer. Well, you don't break your computer, but you can pretty mess up your operating system if you don't know what you're doing. but this is just a server I like throwing random stuff at, so it has P25 and a whole bunch of different stuff on it. So just an experimental server. So it's running a DMR master, P25 reflector and gateway, and now it's gonna be running allstar. So apparently my computer decided to not, or my computer actually decided to let me oh, just gave me an error. Finally decided to let me actually input commands using copy and paste. So this is gonna be way easier now, so having to type out the entire thing. So alright, so next we'll go up, replace the lib with the other lib, wait for that one to install. Alright, now that one's done, we'll go up, paste that. Alright, and then the last one will be ZLIB1G. After this, that is Zulu, Lima, Indigo, Bravo, 1, Golf. So, we'll go back to the command prompt. We'll run that. Alright, and after that, we have to run wget to GitHub user D8 DU8 Delta Uniform 8 Bravo Lima allstar asterisk full main allstar asterisk full 1.02. I'm not gonna read any more of that. That's too much. But copy that. Alright, and hold up. Yeah. Root path should usually. Oh, brother. Okay, so let's download it. Alright, ls. Alright. Okay. How do we run this? Allstar? No. Help? Okay, so ASU is not one. Allstar link. Oh my gosh, I need to change my DNS. And Ethernet. Change adapter. Properties. And sometimes DNS isn't like working. So we'll do that. Press OK. Should disconnect me for a second. But it should really. How to run allstar on Debian. Yeah, you know what? Okay, Wi-Fi. I see. We don't want to work today. What about group? Nope, not even groups.io doesn't. Not even groups.io wants to work today. Nope. GitHub. Why? Why is nothing working today? Not even 1.1? Oh. What's up with the network? Well, I might be resetting the entire network again later today due to that. No, we'll just, I can't update a DNS server automatically. It's rubbish. 192.168.1.1. Are we gonna work today? No. Is Skyhub's thing? Nope. YouTube? YouTube loads. Nope. YouTube does. YouTube loads. Okay, so the Utah VHF Society loads. Skyhub doesn't load. Do I have any certificates or anything on my? eBay? Nope. Bro, what do I have on this computer? That's... Maybe I should try connecting to the server I have downstairs over just the... Yeah. It's confused. I think I can do... Okay, so that still works. Okay. I'm not gonna log in there because that's big safety hazard, but not why? Why is nothing working? You know what? You know what? It could be 192, not 123. What was it? 180, 182? Nope. 140, 120, 13, 14, 15, 16. 17, 18, 19, 10, 127. Yeah, okay, 127 was it. I think it was that. Okay. Why is the Wi-Fi so slow? Bro, we're not even doing that much. Only like 30? What the? Do you have any? Yeah, I'm not gonna show any ports that I have open because that's a slight risk. I have no DMZs enabled. Don't have any Wi-Fi turned on. They're all turned off because I don't use the Wi-Fi because we have access points. That's a whole bunch of MAC addresses and IPv4 addresses. Do I care that you see those? Nope. No external storage. I don't know why it's not working. TKR. Groups.io. What? Why is this not working? How am I supposed to do this? Read me? Nope. GitHub decided to give up on us today. Why? Am I still on the Wi-Fi? Okay, we're back on the Wi-Fi. Are we gonna load now? We're gonna load now. Alright. Allstar download. I don't know why Ethernet's not working. That's not... Yeah, okay. No, we'll just stick with Allstar download. Not voice over IP. Allstar link. Alright. So after you do that, how do you run the ASL thingy? Am I just doing what am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong? How? Okay. Nope, not that. No. Nope, not that. Oh, read me? No, not that. Oh. ASL menu. Nope. That's not the prompt. Run ASL-menu to set up your node. Sudo. Or not sudo. ls. Debian. I don't know what to do now. Something in here? Nope, that's just a... We can't show files that are this big. I'm gonna download this computer. The one I'm on. We're gonna just we're gonna go to home, view. We can turn off the navigation pane. Alright, what's in here? So we have the README. How to install, okay. This did not help at all. Install the DV switch repo. Okay. Download and install the allstar. Okay, system will suspend now. That's... Oh, brother. Alright. Download and install the allstar asterisk full Debian package. Okay. We have that here. It's right there. What am I supposed to do? Nano the thing? That's... Well, we have it twice. RM allstar .1. We have two of them. So we have one now. Yeah, what am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong? Can I CD into allstar? Nope, not a directory. apt install d. Okay. Do I reboot? Nope. And I just downloaded it again. Yep. Absolutely. No. Oh my gosh. Okay. LS. Alright. Now I think we can take something like FileZilla, maybe? Go root. The password. Ports 22. SFTP://192.168.1.148. Tiggy. Alright, we'll try that. Okay, yes. Good. Oh wait, root, that's not the password. My bad. Nothing. There we go. Alright. Alright, so we are in the... What? That might be what... Oh, okay, so there's allstar. There's the file. So we're automatically in the opt folder. Or are we? Opt cd/opt ls cd allstar ls allstar link repository. Okay, so there's that. CD allstar, we'll go into there. What am I missing? I have no idea what I'm missing. how do I run this? I mean, I've downloaded it. The file's 6 megabytes. But how do I open? Am I okay? Something not good. So here's the raw file. So it's a .debian. So it's an install file. How to extract a .deb file. Oh, difficulty level easy. Yeah, say that to somebody who's never used Linux before. Alright. Oh, we have to use Nginx? Oh. AR. Allstar. Am I okay? Installing this AR command. Apt install bin utils. Yes. Okay, now we'll huh? What the? LS? What is it? Allstar. How do I run this file? You can probably tell my computer really hates me right now.
Any news on when that guy's coming over? Does he have our address? Does he have our address?
I don't know how to run this. Not found. What am I doing wrong? Allstar link. Look up the Allstar link. Download. Oh, beginner's guide. Okay. Install the ASL app. You know, just do both of them. Just because I don't know what to do. So ASL dash menu. Oh. I have no idea. Do we try doing the same things up here? Do we install curl? Okay, curl. Okay, I think we already have the ASL repository. Okay, we have that. So now we have install repository. We'll do chmod. And this. What the? What's... No, so it's under user share. Okay, so we already have the Linux. Okay, we already have that. Install ASL asterisk. What am I doing wrong? How long have you been streaming? 35 minutes. 35 minutes long. And we still haven't gotten a working All-Star. Yeah, no. It still can't find the thing. Apt install lib snmp30. Yep, nope, there's nothing there. Well, just copy it and then paste it there. Nope, nothing. Apt install. Okay. The question is, do I reach out to Skylar, W0SKY, and ask him for help? Or do I spend another couple hours trying to figure out how to do this? Still an error code. Maybe I can try as a normal user? Okay. Install. Oh, it's a Raspberry Pi. Alright. Now, what do we do? So we have that and that. CD ls. We'll exit back to my user. ls. We have documents, desktop, cd/opt. ls. That's that stuff. cd ls. cd ls. So at least it's back on our desktop. Not desktop, just the normal folder. Is this where I run ASL-menu? Nope. So it's a bash command. Sudo ASL-menu. Not gonna work, I know that. Yep. Now let's try it again. Yep, knew it. Alright, so I have done something wrong. Should I reach out to Skylar? Absolutely. Because I am definitely confusing myself the more I'm doing this. I could also just go and put All-Star directly on the server, but I don't have a monitor to go do that, so what am I gonna do? Oh, brother. Server settings. So I already have all that set up. Portal. That. Yep. Repeater. All-Star link. Do I log out and just connect as All-Star? Say 8.1.148. All-Star link. Oh, brother, I messed it up. All-Star link. Perfect. Hey, I messed that one up. Yep. All-Star link. I messed it up again. All-Star link. If I mess it up, yeah, I messed it up again. All-Star link? Question mark? Okay, we're just gonna. Nope. Okay, you know what? Consult your favorite owner's manual, your favorite search engine, on how to install an image for a computer system. YouTube.com/SkylerF. Okay.
A Skylar production. This is an allstar link tutorial. Today, we will be learning how to set up your own simplex allstar node. For all of you who do not know what the allstar linking project is, allstar uses a voice over internet protocol system, which is used to connect many ham radio repeaters all over the world, enhancing two-way communications and nets or on-the-air meetings. Asterix is the system which allstar is based off of. It has high-quality internet phone system and is used by many companies for reliable telephone services. A system south of me in Pueblo, Colorado, uses this system to link repeaters together via microwave links, which means this works even if the internet is down. There is very little documentation on this, so I will try to do my best to create a single video with the overview and how to install and create a little node at home. If you have more detailed questions, I highly recommend you check out the app repeater email list, which will get any questions answered about the allstar software. I will put the link in the description. Let's get right in. It is not that hard at all. You will need a ham radio call sign to begin. The technician license is not too hard and requires $15 to pass a 35-question multiple choice exam. For more information, visit the ARRL website. First, sign up for an account on the allstar link portal. Click on register and enter your information, including your ham radio call sign, which will be your username. A call sign verification will be needed. The easiest way is to take a picture of your license and upload it. Your account should be registered in 24 hours or less. Once your call sign has been verified, log in, and you should see the web transceiver come up. Click on that, and you can see all the nodes around that are active, and you can connect via the internet. Java is required to operate the web transceiver. On account settings, change it to system operator so you can see the more advanced settings and create a server. Now go to server and click create server.
It'll take a while. This is gonna definitely take us sorry. It's definitely gonna take me a while. So
Select the longitude and latitude of your server. Click is required to operate the web transceiver. On account settings, change it to system operator so you can see the more advanced settings and create a server.
Account settings. Account settings. Yes, that is my phone number. If you message me, you will get blocked. That's a pin. I don't know what the pin's for, but we'll figure that out. Okay.
Now go to server and click create server. Select the longitude and latitude of your server and name it. After the server is made, we will need to request a node number.
We have
Click on node, request node.
Utah hub, and KK7 GKG hub. And then over on my nodes, I have the KK7 GKG hub, which we're actually gonna switch our this back to KK7 GKG server in all caps because yes. Alright, and then okay, so Utah hub's right there.
And then the server. Here, type any comments and submit your request. Within 24 hours, a node number should be assigned. Now it is time to configure the server. Go to server, server configuration, and then the server you selected. Here, enter information on your server.
Okay.
Now go to node configuration, the server, and the node that you want to configure.
We'll go to the one that can change later.
Enter information like the frequency and tone.
Okay, frequency is state. You know what? State live.
Go to radio interface. The radio interface is connecting the computer to the radio.
What?
No. Full duplex means that the repeater is transmitting and receiving at the same time. We're only doing simplex in this tutorial.
No.
The interface type is the software, USB radio or simple USB. And choose the URI or USB fob, which we'll be using in this tutorial for the radio interface to the computer. URIX. On repeater settings, make sure your call sign is correct, and for now, leave everything else default.
No more buttons.
For the rest of the stuff, it's just DTMF shortcuts, schedule stuff at certain times.
What? Hello? Portal. Modify. Node. .php question mark config underscore ID is, I don't know my ID, so just yes. All right. Allstar portal. New user node graph. Help and support. Beginner's guide again.
And the node profile, how it looks like on your web transceiver, access settings, and just a few more things. Just leave it all blank for now and play with it after. You can also set up Echo Link. If you can just put those I didn't touch, but you can just play around with the Echo and sign in with a -R or -L call sign. Two stations should be online, but you shouldn't get the normal thing. Now it is time for install of the allstar link system on the computer we selected. Please note that all the files will be deleted on the computer. Go to the allstar link download area at stat.
Oh yeah, beautiful. This is really, really helpful. Is that DL or DI? We can try both. No, DI. DL. DL. D cap, lowercase I. Okay.
That's allstarlink.org/DL.
DL. DL. Wow, shocking.
And download the
allstar CentOS. Am I okay? CentOS. Install. Where do I download that? Where? Download. Where do I download CentOS? because I don't know my way around CentOS, but I'm sure I could figure out CentOS. That's Debian again. Debian's off CentOS, isn't it? Hold up. Raspberry Pi. That's that. Friendly ARM? Nope. No. Definitely not that. Allstar. Please. Help. This is not what we were... This is not what we were looking for. Maybe, allstar CentOS. Internet Archive. You know what? CentOS. Where do I find it? You know what? We're just gonna continue.
The ISO file. Burn the ISO file to a CD or DVD or USB flash drive. Use the software UNetBootin for a USB flash drive if you're using that to burn it for Mac or PC. Okay, here I have the CD burned. I used disk utility on
allstar ISO. That's not an ISO. We're gonna blank my screen for a second so you don't see everything I do. Sorry, some very valuable information on top of my... Alright, we will do that. And I might have just deleted some of my... My bad. You know what? We'll figure that out later. Not my problem. Why are all you guys bookmarked right there? That's not helpful. How do I unpin you? Why? No, I don't want to pin to start. You know what? We've been streaming for so long. It's pretty dark outside. We'll figure this out though. We'll download one of these. We'll configure some settings so I can automatically switch between them. We'll do hotkeys. Scene 2, we'll do that. Scene 1, do that. Perfect. So now I can hide stuff from you guys. Oh, beautiful. Alright. That's downloading. What? No. Okay, so that is an ISO. But I think I already have an ISO on the... I think I already have an ISO on the server, though. No, I definitely don't want to show you those. Yeah, I have allstar on here. We'll create a virtual machine, which is allstar Utah hub. You know, we're not gonna put an exclamation mark in there. That's a bit excessive. All right, we'll do. I think it's. Does it run on CentOS? Or is it Debian? Okay, so it's Debian. But wait, if I upload that, OS's data store, upload, download. We're probably not going to be uploading that fast because, yeah, it's, never mind. That's still pretty slow, kind of. Saying 10 on the Wi-Fi and 10 on the, or 70, or 80 on the Comcast. Oh, look. On Ethernet, my IP 192.168.1.2 is not supposed to be my IP address. It's supposed to be 192.168.1. Something else that's in the hundreds. How is the Wi-Fi sending 80? What is this? Is this Ethernet on the ham network? No, it's on the normal network. Yeah. But why are you only sending 10? And why do you have an invalid IP address? It's supposed to start at 100 to 250 or 255. Why are you? What the? That's not a valid IP address. I don't know where you're getting that from, but that's not supposed to be like that. The Wi-Fi. Those are some fast access points for 90 on the upload. Alright. We'll try this again. Virtual machine. Allstar Utah Hub. Linux. 3264. You know what? We'll do 32 today. If it doesn't work, we'll try it again. We'll put it on the VMs. We'll give this thing 4 cores. 4 cores. We'll give it an obnoxious amount of memory, which is 4 gigabytes. Just kidding. You know what? We'll do 16 gigabytes. I don't think that's going to be too much or too little, so put on main network, put allstar on there, video card, you know, we'll just, I don't really know how you do this, but video card memory, 4 megabytes, 8 megabytes, nah, just use default. I have 1 network on here, but the actual computer has 4, the actual computer has, 4 network slots. It's just I only have 1 of them enabled right now. So, okay, allstar Utah Hub. Alright, 32-bit install. Invalid agreement. Okay, perfect. Wow. English. United States. American English. We'll get there. Oh wow, you can actually hear my computer fans in the the audio, which is kind of funny. Finish partitioning and write changes to disk. Yes, I authorize that. We've been doing this for about 58 minutes now. Surprised nobody's been on Skyhub. Or my radio isn't tuned all the way to Skyhub. We're not, well, still. Bad archive. You know what? We're in the Russian Federation. No. We are in the United States. Where do we want to go? Where's the Texas one? Texas. Oh. Yep. Yep, knew it doesn't work. there nothing here that has... What's the oldest one? Never mind. You might have fixed it. Hello? I think the entire thing was froze. Hello? How much? Why are you lagging? You're using 5 megahertz. 5. Who uses 5? Like that's not enough. Use more. You have a you can hear the birds in the background. But you've only used 1 gigabyte of RAM. Use more. You have so much given to you and you just don't use it. Okay, well that's trying to figure if it wants to play king to b4 or whatever you do in chess. We're just gonna make another machine. All-star attempt. I really don't know. I have been working on another version of installing allstar onto another VM and it's not working. Please help me because this is challenging to figure out how to work this stuff. Alright, that's our VM name. You know, we'll do a 64-bit version. That's too much. 210 characters. Yes, and maybe am I okay? Yes and no is this VM's name now. Okay, we'll give this thing 4096. That's a lot of RAM. Hold up. 4096. We'll give it 16 gigabytes on the main network. We'll give it the ASL thing again. Alright, there's that. Launch that. We'll do advanced options. Install. English, United States, American English. Okay. This might take auto network configuration. Configuring the network with DHCP. That worked. Alright, the host name of this system is Link. You can definitely hear the birds in the background. Call it local. Alright, root password. We'll call. No. What the? No. Alright. No, I just screwed it up. Mountain. You can tell it's pretty loud over here. You can hear all the birds in the background. Hi, Ziggs. They're pretty loud. The thing of having conures and parrots. Pretty loud. Alright, your installation has been scanned. Label is that. You now have the option to scan additional CDs. Nope, I don't have anything else to scan. I'm in the United States. Okay, bad archive. You know what? Go back. Yep, go without a network mirror because we don't really need it. Now retrieving file 3 out of 6. Cannot access repository. Cannot be accessed. So updates will not be made available to you at this time. You should investigate this later. Commented out entries for security.debian.org have been added to the ET, etc. Up to sources.list file. Alright. You're not gonna be able. You upgraded without needing. Okay. Participate in package use survey. Please nope. That's not helpful. Software's standard system utilities. Are we actually gonna work today? And so the grab master into boot record? Nope, because we're not. You know, just use that, because I'm not gonna type anything else today. Installation complete. Okay. System reboot. Okay, VMware, and we're back to the error. Yep. That's what happens, is whenever it reboots, it just gives you a black screen. Now I'm going to leave you with this black screen while I'll be right back. Alright, we're back. See, nothing has happened, as per usual. I'm not surprised. I don't know why, just nothing seems to work. Okay, you're having issues. Bad archive. Okay, go back. Yes, continue without network mirror. Okay, we're back on the allstar Utah Hub virtual machine. Yep, go back. Oh, and we're back here. Alright, it's... Yep, United States. You know, whatever. Pick whatever you want. That's gonna be another bad repository. Why do you not want to work? Why are you just giving me shell? If I make a Windows install, are you gonna work? Windows test. We'll run a Windows 10, 64-bit. We'll give this thing 60. Don't make this thing pretty powerful. We'll give it 8 cores. We'll give this thing 16 gigabytes of RAM. Just kidding, I'm giving it 8 because I don't want to give this thing too much. Must be less or equal to 4 gigabytes. Less or equal to 4? What about 7? You don't like... Oh my gosh. Windows isn't going to like having 4 gigabytes of... What's taking all the memory? We have 28 available. Windows you know what, we're just gonna name it whatever that is. Windows 10. We'll give you 8,128 megabytes. Whatever that number is, we'll give you 64 gig. Okay, so you could take it in megabytes, and now you work. All right, now we'll install Windows. Is Windows gonna work? Probably not. Has anything been working for me? Absolutely not. Nothing ever works. It always takes trial and error. We're gonna delete the machine of yes and no because it's not working. So, the All-Star Utah hub. Are you broken? Mm-hmm. Yep, continue without network mirror. Yep, continue. Oh, okay, so you decide that you want to work today. Okay. Fair enough. Windows machine. You're gonna boot up. You're gonna let me install Windows, and as soon as I restart, you're gonna stop working, aren't you? It's pretty obvious. Oh wow, installation failed. Not surprised. We're just gonna abort the installation. We're gonna go over to the All-Star Utah thing and delete. Cause, did it work? Nope. Product key. I don't have a product key because I'm not using a product key. Windows, you know, no, we'll just put Windows Home. Okay, accept terms. Install Windows. You know, we'll give you 32 gigabytes. Okay, then we'll give you whatever that is down there. Okay, so now I have two partitions. We have 32 and 32. We're gonna be here for quite a while, aren't we? You know, while that's happening, I'm gonna work on configuring my website, site.google.com. That's the wrong page. Do our TR726. There we are. Alright, we're gonna edit this. Right, there should be a box that pops up under here. There we go. Take that, go back over to OBS. On our scene 2, we will insert the browser. Scroll. Why can I not spell today? AK7GKG. Alright, perfect. We'll do that. We'll then remove that. No. OBS, you're not doing that today. Nope, you can hear the birds in the background. They bark. Yep, there's Jovi. No, there's Jovi again. Jovi again. You know, bro, Jovi. Duplicate. I don't have any dogs, okay? Jovi. I don't own a dog. It is literally just Jovi in the background. Alright, back to this. Okay, I see. You've actually given up on me today. Beautiful. Where's my mouse? There it is. You know, which VMware is not nice. There. Oh wow, shocking. Nothing here. Yep. Oh, never mind. Wow, so it's just All-Stars being funky. So if I put something like maybe Linux Mint? No, but no, that won't work. I can't put the HB link on here either because that's Raspberry Pi. Ooh, what can I do? What do I do? That's the thing. What? How am I supposed to do this? I take Raspberry Pi. I install Raspberry Pi for Debian. Jovi! How do I do this? How do I do this without them? Because Windows works. I definitely know I'm gonna... Windows isn't gonna like me turning off the computer immediately after installing it, but... How am I gonna do this? I'm gonna try setting the guest OS to CentOS. I know it's not correct, but we'll try it. allstar. Okay, there we go. Sorry, I had to halfway stroke through that. You know what? We'll give this thing an odd amount. We'll give it 5. We'll give this thing 4 gig. You know, we'll give this thing 4.1 gigabytes of RAM and 16 actually, because we're not talking about that much. You know, just give it to normal 4 gigabytes and normal. You know, just give this thing 4. And then we'll boot off something like that. Are we gonna work today after installing? Probably not. Would I be surprised if we do? No, not at all. Alright. Advanced options. Graphical expert install, maybe. Oh, okay. This is new. Choose language. English. United States. United States. Based on yes. Access. Configurations. Configure keyboard. American English. Detect and mount. Oh. It can't find the hard drive. Why is it trying to find? Is there a crypto mining on? What the? No. I don't. Is oh W9. Okay, that makes sense. Detect network hardware. Should have one network thing on here. Okay. Auto networking. Yes, go ahead. Don't really care. Just do what you want. You're not host name Debian, whatever you want. Go there. Just do something. Enable shadow passwords, you know? Just yep. Create a normal user account? No? Yeah, no. Configure the clock. NTP? Network time. You know, yeah, we'll do yes, actually. Yeah, we'll do that. We are in the mountain time zone. Detect disks. Partition disk. Oh no, I went back there, but sure. Alright, you know what? No, we'll keep it in one partition. Yep, finish writing. Yes, please. Yes. Yes. Install the base system. Jovi! Here, I'll show you Jovi. I now have Jovi.
Good evening. The time is 6 p.m.
I need to switch over to my thing so I can show you Jovi. Okay, we'll figure out how to turn on the camera. 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 Good afternoon. This is Jovi. He's bored. He likes barking. He's lost most of his front feathers, but he's growing them back slowly. So that's Jovi. So that's it. We'll grab. No, Jovi, I don't want you messing around with Ziggy. I'll bring you back here. I'm walking over here. That's what I'm doing. There you go. So that's Jovi. Linux image AMD4. Back to that. Generic. What you're hearing is Skyhub off my repeater, which is the Kenwood TKR851 W0SKY. I bought the repeater from him and linked it to Skyhub. So big shout out to him for some of this. So use a network mirror? No, please, because I know they're not gonna work. Nope. No. Turn that off. Alright, select and install software. Hello? Oh, there it goes. No, we'll stick that off. Random system utilities. I think All-Star is already supposed to be in there, so they might have just linked a W9 download. So, if so, good job, All-Star, because you failed. But install the grub loader. I'm not using grub because we're on a virtual machine, but you know what? We'll put a grub loader on here. Just do something. Finish the installation. Is the system clock set to OTC? Ah, somebody just honked outside. I don't know why. Oh, requesting system reboot. Are we gonna actually boot up? No. We will not. Oh, I'll be right back. Alright, we're back. I don't know what to do. Debian 9 download. It might not let me download an older version of Debian because sometimes they don't keep them. We don't want a network boot. Those ones are not the ones we want. We want the full, you know what we'll do? Internet Archive. 9.11 might have some issues, but we'll keep that in mind that I might have to change that. Cinnamon. No, Cinnamon's okay. Cinnamon's okay. I run Cinnamon on some of my stuff. 2 gigabytes. Well, that's not bad for Debian. Fair enough. So we'll just work on the webpage. We'll work on Salt Lake Youth Amateur Radio Club, which is sites.google.com/SLYARC. We'll just get rid of that because that's rubbish. So, you'll use your SLI, which we need one more person in the club to get a club call sign. Oh wow, Andrew actually put some stuff in here. SDR Utah, he put that in there. Pretty good. YouTube. 9 antenna length. Hammer your outlet. He put Noji in there. Very nice. We don't run nets right now. Registration is a Google form. Project is 2 meter Yagis. Radio rental. Repeaters, we have 2 of them right now. We have both my repeaters. We have the KK7 GKG Skyhub repeater, which is the one that you were just hearing, which is a Kenwood TKR 851. So, we also have my DMR repeater, which is not the best looking one. These are some really, really old photos. This is now in a taller tower instead of a tripod. but this has been cleaned up. So, and then we have this one, which is offline. So, I also click on status, and it takes you to a web page of status of these things. So, the mine is the 4450875 is on yellow as its status because it's standalone, network connection failure. The other one, which is the 44745, which is the one you were just hearing, is online and is linked to SkyHub. So, we also have Canvas, Forms, we also have rules. So, and there's other pages. So there's my JPOLs I make and back to this site. So they're all linked back together. And then this live SDR actually takes you over to my YouTube channel, or the SDR page, which I no longer update that often because my SDR decided to die and no longer have the, so it'd always monitor the local repeater system, local ham radio repeater system, but it's offline. So, well, back to here. We'll shut that off because it's not working. Did it get an IP address though? 192.168.1.1. Did it get an IP address? That'd be funky if it did. RMC access points. 174 is kind of new. That one doesn't have an IP address. 186 is definitely not new. That's the other access point. Ham, that's the DMR master server we were just on. That's the DMR repeater. Oh no, that's the allstar repeater. VMware 154 is also new. 110. That might be it. SSH. Oh, hold up. This is CMD. SH allstar at 192.168.1.110. So that's not it. So something. And we'll figure it out later. I'll just leave that running. Because that could just be the idle. Could be idle things, so who knows? Go back. What was I gonna do? Oh, install storage, OS's, data store, OS's, Linux. I have Debian 12 in there. We'll put Debian 9. Debian 9 is Debian 9. Now we'll just wait for that to upload. So, oh, yeah, it's offline, but it's still offline. It's offline every once in a while, but here's the other repeaters that are near me. That's a top one is the N7HRC repeater. It's 446-250. It's over in Harriman. The bottom one's a search and rescue VHF repeater, I believe. But you can't. I don't know where the duplexer is. I have not seen a duplexer. It could be a backup repeater, but why would it be powered on? There's two cables that come out the side, but one's the duplex out of that one. So who knows? So I spelled repeater wrong. I just noticed that. There you go. That's fixed now. Alright, that's still uploading. While that's happening, we'll just open CMD, SSH back into the server, SSH KK7G KG at 192.168.1.148. We'll log in. We'll switch user. We will cd/opt ls cd dmr test1 ls. Which one I go into? cd hb link ls. Oh, yep. Python 3 hb link.py. Alright, so that's the DMR master. Resetting connection to the master. Okay. Configure authentication accepted. I'll have to redo that again later. cd opt ls cd p25 test3 ls. I don't have anything in there. Okay. And the reason that is because I have no P25 master, because I need to ask Skylar W0SKY for help with that, because every single time I try, it never works. You know, just do allstar attempt 2 number. We'll do update 2. We'll do a Linux machine and Debian. What other Linuxes do we have? There's CentOS and SUSE, but we're not using SUSE. We'll do Debian 9. I think I'm using a 64. We'll give this thing the VM storage. We'll give this thing 8, as it's not just going to be running that by itself. So we'll give this thing 8 gigabytes of RAM because it doesn't need that much. Doesn't need that much. We'll give it 32. If I can get a thing of allstar working, then I will definitely try with because I believe Skyhub. Hold up. I might be able to get help from Skylar to set up that DMR master, but we'll figure this out. Alright. Debian 9. We will set up Debian 9 with the kernel. Whatever that works. Okay, have fun. Not getting errors this time. If we can get a allstar thing up and going, then I will see if I can bridge my repeater, which is the 600.790 allstar node. I'll see if I can bridge it to the 600.791 allstar, which will be the Utah hub. And then others can bridge off of that. Oh, and we're in the desktop. Something seems a bit off. Because I don't think you installed Debian 9 that quick. I might just... something's off. We're gonna power it off. Press... something's... Debian installer. Oh, there we go. That's easy one. English, United States, American English. Again. Debian. Whatever that is. So a root password is that. Another root password is that. Full name, we'll just do KK7GKG. That, we'll just set password as that. For that was not the same password, my bad, sorry. Sorry, my bad. Mountain Standard Time. It's gonna give me an error because there are no mirrors. It's not gonna be happy. Maybe I can link the Ooh, that's smart. Ooh, wait, that's smart. What if I took this install, put it on a physical computer, and use a USB radio interface to use that as a link, like a physical RF link? And then put it like on an RCOM controller, but I'll think about that later. It'll be the 4x745 repeater that bridges into this network, and then this network will be the one that bridges well, not TMR or any of that stuff. Well, I might bring P25 into here, but I haven't figured that out yet, so right, changes to disks. So let's see. Yeah, and then connect this USB radio interface to the RCOM controller. Can be the RF link up to, could be, well, if we could repeater up on the mountain or link into another system, but who cares, or who knows. RCOM controller's having issues anyway, so might as well just think about it later. So, well, I'm gonna go back to over here and figure out how to do audio. Set up the audio muting. We'll do mute. We'll do, ooh, what can I do mute without having to press the key constantly to, we'll do mute. Oh no, hold up. Mute, unmute. Alright, we'll be back when this is done. Alright. So, using network mirror? Nope. Because there are none out there that are gonna work. So, configuring APT. Oh no, can't access repository. No, we're not using repository. Oh no, not this again. Oh no, can't access repository. No, we're not using repository. No, not this again. Oh, never mind. Oh no, install the grub loader onto the master boot record. Go ahead, you know what? Do what you want. Just do what you want. Famous last words, just do what you want. Installation complete. Running remove live packages. Oh, I hear myself echoing. Nope, I met Ziggy. Oh wow, shocking. Nothing. This is just not like Linux. Do you just not like Linux? Are you okay? Are you okay? Do I need to go grab a physical computer and install something on it? Because I really don't want to do that. I don't have any Raspberry Pis. I have nothing but virtual machines and that one thing I have, one chunky thick server I have downstairs. Well, I have servers out in the garage, but I don't want to pull those out. Those are way too much for me right now. What can I do? Why are you broken? That seems a bit excessive. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. This is gonna be confusing. So it seems like any type of Linux I try to boot, it does not like the reboot. So what can I do to fix that? Allstar is over here probably still freaking out. Yep. Still nothing. We're gonna power this one off and delete it. What am I gonna do? Hold up. Oh, wait a moment. You know, Skylar, I'm gonna need your help for this one. Because I don't want to do it like this, but I know I'm gonna have to. So 192.168.1.194. Was it 194? Oh, hold up. Dash P222. There you go. Alright. I really don't want to do it this way. I definitely put the wrong password in. It's definitely not the password for the repeater downstairs. Okay. Alright. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I've never, well, every single time I try to log into the menu of this thing, it just does something like this. So I don't know how to do this. I don't really want to mess with anything in here, so I'm just not gonna risk it. Oh, I sent you back to the back. to be right back screen. I'm gonna ask for help. Okay. So, I'm gonna see if I can go. I don't know if I have another laptop. Yeah, no, I don't have a laptop. That's an issue. Yeah, no, I don't have another laptop I can do this on. Nor do I have another computer. Oh, wait, no. I have an idea. I'll be right back. Okay. Okay, so now I think I have Rufus on my. Oh, censor my screen first. Because I don't want you seeing what's on this. Okay, there we go. We should have it censored by screen. Alright, we'll plug in the hard drive. Don't let you know what's on here, so could be some school stuff, could be some, I don't know. It is a whole bunch of Motorola stuff. You're you're fine seeing this stuff. Yeah, except it has some of my business stuff in there, so I might just keep it censored. Are you gonna transfer the stuff off of here so that I don't have to? Hello? Yes. 2 terabytes. Wow, okay, never mind. Bruh. Oh, wait, it's all the stuff off my old computer. All the old repeater photos, antenna photos, school stuff. This is a lot of stuff. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to transfer all this stuff off of here today. Not copy. Paste. What? No, we're just not gonna use this one. This one has too much stuff on it. I don't want it to die. So we're just gonna walk out of here and switch it to a different one. Alright. We have another hard drive now. We'll plug it in. Are you gonna recognize? Oh. Yep, I knew it. Yeah, I don't know if I can really use this one. Is that 174 gigabytes? Oh yeah, definitely. I'm not gonna use this one at all. I can't transfer that to here. That's too much. All right. I have to go find another hard drive. Oh yeah, definitely. I'm not gonna use this one at all. I can't transfer that to here. That's too much. All right. I have no idea where a USB stick is. I thought I had one. Yeah. Yeah, hold up. All right. Alright, we have a USB stick. I need to check what's on here, because might be nothing, might be something. Never know. Never know. Alright. USB stick has been found. There is 2 things on. Oh, my bad. I completely forgot to turn my microphone back on. And we're back to my normal screen. Alright. So now we have USB stick. We will write. Yep. It's not compatible with another. It will be possible. Okay. Okay. So the computer we have here, the one that's suffering today, or not suffering today, but is being replaced with allstar Linux, or allstar, is a Acer computer. It's not a laptop, it's a tiny, tiny desktop. And I'm gonna see if I can boot it into its OS. I could be F12 or F10. It was definitely not any of those keys. It might be F2 actually. I have a mechanical keyboard, which is really freaking loud. One of the birds just threw something off the... something over here. Who was it? Who did it? Hey. We don't throw those off the... Yeah, he just threw one of the things we had the counter off. Somebody's using a repeater. We also have the 449775 repeater. I can't hit it from here, but it's over in the Utah County. Covers most of Utah County. Could not be on link right now. Let me check that. 400 or 600 790. Alright, so that's mine. Oh, yeah, I hit the other one's not in the link right now. Yeah, no, it's not in the link. But the so here's my repeater, 44745. Then there'll be the Utah hub. And then that one will have, I'll see if I can put a USB radio interface on there. And just RF, be that the RF link. So And I can link into this one, and yeah, so the I don't know if this is turned on. We'll see. 440,980. Okay, so it is online, but it's not connected to anything. So Rufus is 50% there, or ish. So we will view. You can really see how many times my repeater's been keyed up. 3,177 times. Has 19 hours of transmit time. Has been timed out twice, and 10 commands have been sent through it. So, there's a whole bunch of repeaters here. This thing has 13, or SkyHub has 13,000 key ups. And an average, or a transmit time of 1 day. But that's just the hub, so. I don't know how you're updating Windows, but you have no internet. I wonder if WebTrans. Oh wait, I need JavaScript. Oh, JavaScript's on, yeah. How to use allstar web transceiver. There you go. The web transceivers for authorized, and it's an ancient, insecure Java software that's no longer supported. It may not work well because it's only the web. So give it a try. That's Oh, I have to actually install Java on my computer? Hold up. Let me quickly. I just goofed up because I just absolutely closed. I have to restart now on the process because I clicked off, and now I have to restart on this. It's okay. Well, we'll just go over here, go to scene. Turn that off. We'll actually start renaming these. This is camera. This one right here is the Alright, this one right here. Oh, wait a minute, they're both the same. We'll just delete that.
Good evening. The time is 7 p.m.
Pretty. Just knock a whole bunch of stuff off the desk. That's my display. Play. No, don't remove that. My display. Okay. So we'll add window cam. Okay, we'll have this thing capture a specific window. This window will be Rufus. Yes. Oh yes, that is exactly what I wanted. Was it you to not work today? That is exactly. There you are. That's how exactly I was thinking that Rufus would, or anything would work. So. What? Skibidi-bop. Oh wow! Wait a moment. Okay. So it's done now. Let's switch over to the really computer gonna do this to me today. All right. So now we can take out our USB stick. We're just gonna. Oh no! Stop echoing. Bad. What the? No. We now need to go. Just as a thing, a time filler. So. All right. So you're not gonna be able to see the computer screen because I don't have a capture card, which is kind of sad. I want a capture card, but I don't have a capture card. So we're showing F2. F12. I clicked F11. So now it's trying to boot into Windows now. Okay, attempt number 2. Okay. Alright, we'll boot into... Oh, wait a moment. You won't trick me. Alright. We will graphical install. there's now a big thing of there's a big logo of All-Star in the middle of the screen now. Actually, I might be able to get a camera going. We'll see. We're gonna turn on studio mode. Alright, over here. We'll make another cam. We'll do another camera. This will be the rear. So you can see what I'm looking at. Now it's gonna look terrible. I need something to prop up my screen so I can see even higher. That might be a bit too high, but don't do this to me today, computer. Oh my gosh. We're not doing this today. No. Come out of the back of the computer, please. Okay, good enough. Okay, so we have the Surface, Microsoft Surface with its dual-facing cameras, which has the extremely terrible keyboard. Okay, alright, continue. You're in the United States, American English. Detect and mount C-ROM. Okay. This is what happens when you don't have a capture card, is you now have to use your computer's back camera. Alright. There was a problem reading this data from C-ROM. Please make sure it's in the drive. If not, retrying does not work. Please. Failed to read a retry? No. You can try run the failing item again in the menu. What the? No, not this screen again. No. No, that's bad. Failed to copy file from C-ROM. Retry. Okay, I guess we're spending another. Select and install software. Install base system. Yep, we're retrying. We're just gonna turn off the computer. Turn the computer back on. Jam the F12 key. Now we'll go here. We'll do install. Okay, English. United States. American English. Okay, that's that. That's what I'm reading. Yes. Oh my gosh. We're gonna have to... Yep. Okay, so... We're gonna have to restart. Yep. Alright. So, we're gonna turn this off again. Go back to that one. Hello, art drive. I'll do that. So we need to transfer this over. I have no idea where that meant, where that went. Okay, there we go. No. Coffee cup holder or whatever mug thingies you are. We'll just do that. Yep. This is my fault, basically. Alright. Start. Right. Yep, I know. Alright, and we'll be back when that's done. Alright. So, then I'll plug this into the computer. Turn on the computer. Spam the F12 key. Listen to when Skylar is responding. There he is. Alright, there you go. Okay. We'll do graphical this today. Alright, English, United States, American English. Alright, detected Mount C-ROM. I could also just switch the hard drive in this computer for something better, but I don't know. Alright, we'll plug in, or no, we don't have any. We need RTL. No, this is just acting as a hub. Nope, there's no Ethernet cable there. I don't know where you're getting that one from. That's not a network interface. Oh wait, this thing has wireless? Well, we're doing gigabit. Because that's what this thing will be running on. Or we know Wi-Fi? Because Wi-Fi is super freaking slow. I know there's no network. Do not configure network at this time. Alright, we'll just do Debian. Root password will do. Just be getting further up over here than we were on some of the other places. Just installed Linux so many times. We're in Mountain. Alright, we'll use that. My bad. We'll just use the entire disk. 500 gigabytes. Okay, that's a bit much. Alright, finish writing. Yep, write changes. Okay, it's installing base system. We're gonna be here for a really long time, by the way. Just kidding. Well, I might be here, but I'll just mute just in case. Okay. So now that we have that, continue without network mirror. Yes, please. Alright, it is installing software. So it is now going to figure out how to do its thing. So I'm going to mute up again and let it do its thing. Alright. Nope. I just locked the laptop. Standard system utilities. Do I really need a mouse to do this? Oh my gosh. Linux. Alright. Imagine, because it didn't give me the option right there to install Asterisk Allstar, so I don't know. Who knows? It's installing a whole bunch of stuff that has to do with Asterisk, but I don't really know, so. Oh my gosh. It is 7:33 and I'm working on building a Utah hub for a repeater system, and so the plan is Sky Hub will link to my 44745 repeater, and then from the 44745 repeater will also link to this hub, and then this hub will link out to the other Utah users that want to join the system over here. So, and then Salt Lake Youth Amateur Radio Club can use can disconnect the link between Sky Hub and Sky Hub and disconnect the link. Yeah, disconnect the link between the 447-425 and the hub, so that we can run our nets and that stuff. So. If you're wanting to join Salt Lake Youth Amateur Radio Club, you can find our website at www.sites.google.com/view/SLYARC. That is whiskey.sierra indigo tango echo sierra dot golf Oscar golf Lima echo dot Charlie Oscar Mike / Victor India Echo Whiskey / Sierra Lima Yankee Alpha Romeo C. Charlie, sorry. Salt Lake Youth Amateur Radio Club, or SLYARC. Alright. Installation's complete. Somebody's messaging me. Okay, I should unplug this and turn this off. Alright. I don't know how this is gonna go. First time doing this like this. Root password ASL-menu. Oh no. It is literally just Debian. There's oh brother. Oh, that sucks. Is there what did I mess up? What did I mess up? That's loud. Yeah, no. So it's only me. Maybe if I go back in and root it. Users. What? Do I need to plug an Ethernet cable in? You know, I'll try that. Give me a couple minutes. I think I might be a bit past today's doing, so this is my last try, and then I'm just going to stop for the night because it's almost 8 o'clock, and I've been streaming for 3 hours, so and we'll get through this. So okay. Alright. Nope, I don't have that firmware. Okay, we are using Gigabit Ethernet. Alright, Debian, keep that the same. We'll just set that as our password. Or just do that. And mount them again. Oh wait, I forgot to transfer us over. My bad. Alright, we'll use entire disk, 500 gig. Bit much. Finish. Yes, you can write. Could also follow Skylar's online thing as well, because this is the same software. This is the part that takes a while. Alright. So, we're in US. Let's use Debian. It's not going to work, I know that. We'll just go back. Continue without a network mirror? Yes, please. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Alright. Select and install software. Alright. Nope. Where is allstar? This might not work anymore. I don't know what to do if this doesn't work. I don't think this is gonna work. Okay, that wasn't successful today. Well, we tried. Didn't work. But, I guess we'll have to try again later. So, bye. I'm too tired now to do anything.